car was billed during the summer of 2025 from April to July. August through October was spent getting it approved and getting the MOT. By the end of October, the car was put into winter storage at a local vintage car club. During that period, I got a quote for my taxes, paid them, and ordered a set of historical correct license plates. Now it's finally springtime, and I got the car back and can work some more on it. First project is to make a tonneau cover, as I realistically almost never will drive it when the soft top would be needed. I start out with creating a paper template. From a template, I cut a piece of vinyl. I add a border of 4 centimeters all the way around. To add some rigidity and strength to the cover, I'll add a layer of canvas on the underside. I make some alignment marks, and then I mark up how far the vinyl will overlay the canvas, so I know on which area to apply glue later. Next step is to apply some spray glue to both parts. Then I add glue to where the vinyl will overlap the canvas. I folded over the vinyl and glued it to the canvas, so it'll be kept in place while sewing. I marked up a 3 centimeters offset curve and made another stick all the way around. The final step is to add the buttons to the tonneau cover. I start by adding the twisty buttons in the corners. With the 2 corner buttons as my anchor points, I can start to mark up where the rest of the buttons are located. Finally, all the snap fasteners are added. Now it's all done. Let's see if it fits as expected.